200cc is not hard. Here's everything you need to know about speedrunning Mario Kart Stadium in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Lap 1 is mostly about coin collecting. After you get your start boost, let it finish and then start and hold a drift to the right. Aim for the very first coin, then turn sharply towards the corner. You should have an orange mini turbo shortly after you get the item. Going wide here is key so you can take this shortcut sharp enough and get a purple mini turbo. Once you get a purple boost approaching from around this angle, release once you are in the grass, not before, and hop a couple of times to make it through. If going through the shortcut between the pipe and the wall is too hard, it can easily be done between the two pipes instead. Orange mini turbos can also make it through easily if you are struggling to get purple. If you received a coin from the item box, go ahead and use it here and head down the road towards the middle coin and start a left drift. Again, going a little wide here is key. Hold the drift until you get just to the right of this light here. Jump just as you touch the red and white border, then trick as early as possible off the ramp to minimize air time. Right after you trick, start a new right drift in mid-air to immediately start drifting when you land. Pay attention to your coins here. If you have less than 8 coins, follow the road and collect these 2 coins instead of using the shortcut through the grass. Drift left once you collect the second coin and turn this corner as sharp as possible. Getting orange here and releasing as soon as possible is faster than waiting for purple. Trick off the glider, land quickly and immediately start a left drift. Turn sharply around the corner and wait for an orange boost. This one can be slightly difficult for newer players. At this point, start swapping items as much as possible for super horns. Swap both items on the double item box at the glider. Now that we have a bunch of coins, we can use the second shortcut across the grass. Turn slightly sharper this time. Aim to the left of these 2 flowers and jump just as you touch the red and white border again. You only need a blue mini turbo for this. Then start a left drift in mid-air to turn the corner sharply for an orange mini turbo. Now just repeat this for lap 3 and you'll be finished. Sometimes you will get a mushroom in the first item box. Use it here on the first lap so it doesn't go to waste. You can still get an orange mini turbo doing this. In order to outrun blue shells here, the shell must be tracking you and appear on your screen between this turn and the start line. In this case, it appears just before I get to the start line, which is a perfect time to take the backup strat to get rid of this thing. So instead of taking the shortcut, we're actually going to take these boosts on the left here to get us some distance between us and the blue shell. And also, you don't want to do any of the shortcuts because we need to stall as much time as possible. If done correctly, the blue shell should disappear right after you boost on this straightaway after this sharp corner. BBK out.